Hi there, I'm here to talk to you today about a project called i4Trust. We have some incredible guests joining us today, and they will tell you all there is to know about i4Trust. But before that, let's have a look at what data economy means and what frameworks would be required to enable smaller players, in particular SMEs, to benefit from the data economy. Take a look.
Data is the new gold. A new data economy is emerging as a global digital ecosystem in which data is extracted, managed, and shared by different players that collaborate to extract value out of it, enabling a variety of applications that improve everyday life. Data-driven innovation has become a key driver of growth and jobs, significantly boosting business competitiveness in the global market.
If we want organizations, especially SMEs, to benefit from the thriving data economy, we need frameworks that boost their data sharing capabilities, allowing them to benefit from new cross-domain data value chains, creating smart solutions, scaling up their business, and gaining a better market position. We are talking about a sustainable ecosystem that provides the tools, the knowledge, and the support to share data in an effective and trusted way.
This is what i4Trust is all about, building a sustainable ecosystem around a solid framework, enabling the creation of data spaces for effective and trusted data sharing.
To walk us through the project, we will now talk to Juan Hierro, the Chief Technology Officer at i4Ware, one of the project's partners. Juan, lately there has been many initiatives emerging with different visions and approaches on data space. So tell us, what is it about i4Trust that makes it different? What is the added value that i4Trust will bring?
Thank you, Val, for your question. Well, first point I want to highlight is that i4Trust is about technology that works. Software and legal frameworks coming from i4Ware and iShare that are rather mature, which have been proven in the market. Many smart organizations are actually using i4Ware today for breaking information silos within their organizations. i4Ware security components, on the other hand, will evolve within i4Trust to comply with iShare specifications and legal framework, which have proven to work very successfully for trusted data sharing in the logistics sector. Second point, very important, is that i4Trust, because it combines i4Ware and iShare technologies, is based on open standards and is delivered as open source. And that is fundamental for avoiding locking of any particular platform or cloud provider. In summary, the genuine combination of i4Ware and iShare open and mature technologies is what makes i4Trust differential, helping organizations to take the next step in their digital transformation, creating data spaces for sharing data with other organizations in an effective and trusted manner, creating innovative services based on new data value chains. But it is time to walk the talk, and i4Trust will be ready for pioneer experiments already this year. Therefore, will help paving the way for moving from vision to execution.
Thanks, Juan, for your input. Very insightful. Now, I want to welcome our next guest, all the way from the Netherlands, Trudy de Jong, a marketing director at iShare Foundation, which is also a partner in this project. Trudy, I want to take your view on this matter. Everybody's talking about data sovereignty these days. So how exactly will data sovereignty be reflected on this initiative?
Hi Val, thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to talk about this really important aspect of the i4Trust initiative. For an organization to be data sovereign, it needs to be entirely self-determined with regards to its data. And that means having full control. And that is precisely one of the big advantages of this initiative. i4Ware and iShare are providing the software that not only enable efficient, but also secure data sharing. And in other words, If an organization participates in one of the i4Trust projects, they will automatically be using software that comply with the highest trust and security levels for data exchange. And more importantly, they will have full control over their data. Through the software, in combination with the legal framework, they themselves decide who has access to which data and what they may or may not do with that data. And that is a big asset. So in that sense, i4Trust takes away a huge barrier for further data sharing. And that is especially valuable to SMEs. They will be able to do business more easily, and as a result, they will be able to save time, save money, and reduce their carbon footprint.
Thank you, Trudy. As Trudy has mentioned, the i4Trust initiative will offer a helping hand for organizations who are willing to intensify data sharing and ensure that it becomes a catalyst for innovation. My last guest today will be Rosa Villarronga, Project Manager at Funding Box, also a partner with i4Trust. Rosa, let's further discuss how this initiative will support the SMEs to create innovation from a practical standpoint. How exactly do some of the tools offered by the initiative, such as finance support, technical and business mentoring, really help SMEs to increase or even to facilitate their revenue stream?
Thank you for your question. Selected SMEs will join in a tailored mentoring program that will guide them in participating in a trusted data sharing ecosystem. This will allow them to create new services for their current customers, or even better, win new ones by entering into new markets. As you already mentioned, digital transformation offers new business opportunities for SMEs. However, there are still significant barriers for many of them to adopt new technologies. Access to funds, have the right capabilities, skills, and awareness about data sharing. i4Trust initiative will help them to break down these barriers, offering not only funds but also access an exclusive pool of mentors, experts in data sharing and fundraising from Funding Box, iShare, and Firewall. They will support them in their digital transformation. Finally, SMEs will join a thriving community to share knowledge and know-how. They will participate in events at the European and international level with the aim of creating links and synergies between them, expanding their business opportunities on a global level. Long story short, SMEs will boost their business through the monetization of their current data sets, of creating new value-added services based on data. At the same time, they will improve the internal productivity and competitiveness.
Thank you very much, Rosa. This is all we have time for today. If you want to know more about this project and how you can be involved in it, be sure to join one of our upcoming virtual info days. Check out on the website right here when the next one is happening, and we'll see you there. Bye for now.